Well, again, our Noanga, our weekly Noanga. I want to welcome our beautiful guests. She wants me to call her Mari, but her full name is Marietherese Nalani Nauer. Well, first of all, we want to thank God for this precious moment. I want to thank God for everything that's going on, everything He's done, everything He's doing, everything He's about to do in our lives. I want to thank you for those that are joining us today, so those that will be joining us later on. We have here with us our beautiful guest, Marie Therese Nalani Nauer. I asked her before we even go live. I said, Marie, are you ready? She said, Luana, I was born ready with the attitude. Man, we gotta have that attitude. We got to have that attitude all the time. So I'm gonna give this opportunity to Marie to go ahead and share something about herself, where she's from, where she's at right now. Okay, Marie, it's your moment.
Okay, e momo lava na awe whakatai mo ni inga lea tua ta soa ulia mai le ne yaso. Whakatai fo I mo le awanoa was umai nai le uso le alwana awa. Ia watu ai fo I mani mana ni mana manangona a wale mta uko le nei aso. Olo ingoa Marietherese Nalani Nauer e luas fu lua tau sanga. Olo o u au mau nei au kilani. Aua'u o te sau mai Samoa I nu'u o loto pā sa te puala ma laloangia. O le mataupu le au whatanoaina ia o le uso le mea. So it is about confidence. How to gain confidence in yourself when you are hopeless, having less confidence and don't have the courage to get up and love yourself. So it is mostly about girls. Yeah, I'm talking mostly about girls. I'm sorry, boys. I won't be talking about your side today, but it's mostly to uplift our warrior queens. So yes, that is what I will be talking with today in this show. Thank you.
Ia, whakataia te koe la whatasi mai. Ia, o te loa o te maitaile lea Marie, mai ia la sana lea o le tupā. If you hear some statistic, whatever it is that's going on with the noise, I have no idea what's going on. I whakatai lawa whaatasi mai o Marie o au mau nei ni tila. O le sao lea.
E
Ia, o le awala o le tatou whaatanoanga le ia ko Marie o model nei ni sila. As a plus size model. Marie, o whenga a maka mai ai lau model.
oi na mataina mai ai le tausanga e lua pesu ma le ono. I le Samoa Fashion Week, lena whai le a fionga ia Seiuli Allan Alo. Na sulima o tausanga. Na pataino o alu tonu o le I joined the model I joined it in 2016 when I was only 15, and there it built some courage in me, and it built so much confidence in me to love myself and appreciate the way I am. And then from there it grew. Yeah, from there the confidence I have, it grew bigger and bigger until now. Even I am plus size, I still love the way I am, because we were built with the image of our heavenly Father. So yes, you shouldn't be hating yourself even in whatever size you are. Like if you're skinny, thick or fat, you should appreciate the way you are. So yeah, le tausanga e luas fulma tasi sa o whainga luenga ai le Samoa Observer. Yeah, so like there as a journalist, you have to join crowds like the parliament at court. You have to appear in public, and that is where I gained a lot of confidence in me. Like I can be there, talk even with a minister. I get to have a chance to chat with them. So yes, it builds up so much confidence in me. And when I got here in New Zealand, I saw that Country Girl Management were looking for models here in Auckland, and then I just signed in. They're based at Australia, and I just signed in thinking, and then I totally forgot about it that I signed in. What a joke! And then I received a call from them on Mother's Day. Yeah, it was Sunday after church, and then they she asked me if I'm willing to be a part of their catwalk show. I was like, yes. And she was like, she asked me, are you ready? And then I told her the same thing I just told you earlier. I was born ready. So, yes.
Already.
Um, I was born ready. The confidence that I have, I got it from my mom. Yes. She loves singing. Ikele, most of the time, she talks about her in her youth, saying that she was a cheerleader, saying that she was the captain of their team. So she always talks about in her youth and how her mom also, the late Ailipata Tutia, that's my grandmother's name, mom's mom. So yeah, I think it was mom got it from her mom, and I got my confidence from my mom. Because even during my prize giving, if I get me and my sister's prize giving, because I know the brothers. So yes, if we get prizes, mom will just stand up in the crowd and just dance her life away. So like, doesn't have to care about anyone and what anyone has to say about her. So I think mom is my role model in life, and how I look up to her is like, if mom can do that, I can do it too. So yeah, that is where I got the confidence from and the sassy attitude. It is all because of my mom, who is watching now and probably crying on the phone watching me. Her name is Tuvetasi Tutianawa. She is from the beautiful village of Satapuala, and she's now residing at our home with our dad at Lotupa. So yes, all the confidence I have, all the good things I had in life, it was from my parents, but most especially from my mom. Yeah, and I missed her more than anyone back at home. Thank you.
Marie, lenga e whapea, sa e whainga ruenga fo i le as a journalist in Samoa, i Observer.
Yes, I worked
Kena
as a
ruenga.
journalist for Samoa Observer.
O le ale uminga e whainga ruenga i le Observer.
I think 8 months, and then I resigned.
So now you're becoming a full-time model.
A model.
Yes.
No, I'm working at CPD Energy as a customer service representative, but
Uh-huh.
I will be having another fashion show, a big fashion show coming up on November.
Okay. So, ko e whakila tātaruanga ki wai, le ringa isa ngai whai mai ai le kele o ke lore kele o i plus size ladies, to my plus size. Is a confident. Ka pia le mawhai e le mawhawhanga i le mawhai no o tu le tūlanga whaamaro. Whaamaro. A whawhewhea wale ngai sa no mai ngai whai mai ngā o Seiuli le ngā mata mai e ngā abu o lea e ke plus size model ke lingi. E a mai le whai e a makai. Was it a plus size model or was it,
Oh,
how do you call
Mary,
it, less size model?
I was in this speaker, but so like when I started out modeling, I was 15. I wasn't a plus size yet. I was just in my not skinny, between skinny and being in a plus size. But I didn't have that confidence in me. I didn't have as, as much confidence as I have now. I was a bit scared when I first joined. I wasn't ready to be in heels, and it was a big step for me as a 15-year-old who just joined and is new. So yes, that is where I started. But mind you, I didn't have that much confidence as now. So yes, I think it doesn't matter about the size because I had a nice figure back then, not to brag, but I had a nice figure, but I didn't have confidence. So what I would say is that it's not about the size that you have, it's about the confidence that you have. It comes from with inside you, inside your heart and your mindset too. You have to have that mindset that you can be out there, show yourself to the world, and be in public with confidence. Because it doesn't even mean um our catwalk show last week, I was the only plus size. It was so funny. Like I appeared and it was just me who was plus size. And I was the only Samoan as well. And all these girls were had in perfect shape, and I just walked in with confidence. I flipped my hair as always. And they saw me with so much confidence. And then one girl came up to me and she asked, "How are you so confident in yourself?" And then I asked her, "I just feel confidence. Like before, I wasn't even nervous when I joined the country girl management catwalk show. I was being myself. I was enjoying, because if I was nervous, I wouldn't be enjoying myself. A lot of them were in perfect shape, especially when they're palangi. You know how the palangi figures are, but they were shaking, they were nervous, and they were like, "How can I do it?" And then I just told them, you just be yourself, just relax and be here as if you're having fun. And then you'll slowly get there to where I am. But then they just keep saying, how can I do it? So it's like, and then I show some words of encouragement with them. And then the girl, a Maori one who I partner with at first, she was shaking. And then I keep on telling her, it's gonna be okay. You don't have to be scared. It's only us girls here. And your mom is even here, and you should make your mom proud by looking at you walking down the catwalk show, being confident. And yes, when it was the time for the show, I noticed that she had a lot of potential in her. She walked perfectly fine and she wasn't shaking anymore. And I was like, girl, that's it. You get it. So yes, that is what I want to do in life, is that I wanna encourage more plus size, that we are queens or whatever shape you are and you don't have confidence, is that you should love yourself. At first you don't need, even when the crowd or whoever is talking negative about you, don't ever let those people drag you down. Don't ever let those words get to you, but do what's best for you. But I'm not saying, but on the other side, if you feel like you've gained so much weight, you can love yourself even more by trying and eat healthy, and yeah, just do a little exercise, just like walk around, but you don't have to compare yourself to others. So like if you walk in a room full of people, you don't full of girls, you don't have to say, oh, I wish I want to be like her, I wish I want to be like her. No, you set a goal for yourself and say, and stand up high and reach up higher, says that you can become what you want. If you want to lose weight, go for it. There's the gym, you can just walk around if you don't want to pay for a membership. So yes, it is all from within our hearts and our mind, the confidence and inner beauty. Your personality also defines who you are. I mean, we can be beautiful on the outside, but the inside matters the most. You have to be kind. If you see that another girl is struggling, another woman is struggling, you should be there and uplift them. And we should empower more women, like women empowering. We shouldn't be degrading or talk mad about them. If they're not having the confidence that we have, it is our job as people who are confident enough to express how we got our confidence and explain to them and help them how we got this confidence within us. So yes, that's, I hope this answers your question.
Amazing. Um, Marie, that's a big step. It's a big step from Samoa and then New Zealand. Some pwede lamang ang sa Samoa and that's it. It ends there in Samoa. How did you step up? Nga whawhenga maua o agency lea ni kilala o model o te nini.
Um, my they uploaded a link on Facebook, and you can apply. Anyone can apply, but they'll pick the certain ones that they want. So I had nothing to do during that afternoon. It was my day off, and I just went and applied. I was like, I'm just gonna give it a go. And then on Mother's Day, they rang me all the way from Australia. And I said that they picked me if I want to showcase my model skills. And I was like, I was shocked. And I was like, is this a scam? Is this even real? And then they even gave me the address, the date of where we're gonna have it. And then I was like, this is once in a lifetime opportunity for me, especially as a Samoan. And I was like, okay. I was like, yes, why not? I am in. So like everything that I had, every events that I'm gonna join or I will join, I always reflect back to my parents and how much we struggled in the past to get me and my siblings to where we are now. They went through a lot. My dad was a mechanic, and he was the only one providing back then for us. And my mom was just a housewife because there's 8 of us kids, and that's why my two brothers had to leave school early because they were also mechanic, and the other one was good at fixing air conditioning and stuff. So like that. So yes, every good thing I have in life, I always reflect back to where we came from and how my parents struggled so much, and then he brought us to where we are now. So like all of us have good jobs. My other sisters are working for governments in Samoa, some at one at the airport, and it feels so much. So like I look up to my sisters, and I was like, they're successful. Why can't I be successful? So yes, and then I finished that event last Sunday, and I got an invitation to join the big one, which is the upcoming one on November. And there will be those famous models from all around the world. So yes, I will be joining that. It's a 3 days event. So it's like from the 17th of November, which is my dad's birthday. I think that is my gift for him, is to appear again on stage because I'm growing up. Yeah, I know. I was like that. I will not send you any money, but you will see me on stage again. So yes, and before the event on Sunday, my parents called me and they were like, especially for my dad. My mom knew about it ages ago, but my dad, he said that he's so proud of me, and he said, "How did I get into this, especially in New Zealand?" I was like, "Dad, you know your daughter can do anything with confidence."
That's amazing.
Yeah, and yeah, it's every steps I have in life, every steps ahead of me, which are the good ones. I always reflect back to my past with my parents, and I always want to make them proud. Making them proud is the key, is the main goal for me. For me, is to make my parents proud. So yes,
Woman empowerment. That's
yes,
amazing. Thank you so much for the advice. I mean, for you that are listening, I mean, this is such great advice from such a young, beautiful lady who, because of herself, she pushed herself,
yes,
while the others are still, but some are still sitting back and wondering what they need to do with life, questioning who they are, what they need to do, where they need to go, who to ask. She did it. And if you hear any static voice, I don't know what the how the sound is. Please text because I can hear something. So it might be just on my side. Wow, congratulations. Congratulations on your big performance in November.
Yes.
I'm sure he's gonna ask for money. I'm definitely sure. I love that you're walking in that catwalk. You love that you're walking in that fashion show. Where's my birthday? Where's my birthday present? Basically, I need to
Yeah,
hold it in my hand.
I'll send his birthday money way before his birthday.
Okay. Um, I saw the videos they were sent to me, and wow, so much confidence. Le fai mai yeah, listen to gospel fans in that is for sure. That is for
Yes.
sure. Look at where we are. So many opportunities that are given to leaders, to women. Before, in the olden days, they always say, find your place. Women find your place. And those two places, either the bedroom or the kitchen. So if you don't understand that, you can message me later. They always say, they always say, find your place. And those two places, it's either kitchen or the bedroom. Either you're cooking food for the family, you're cooking food for your husband, you're providing food for the friends that are coming over, or the bedroom, which means you have to satisfy your man. Those are the two places. That's why they always say in those times before now, they say find your place. Your place is the kitchen or the bedroom. And when you look at it, it's still going on nowadays.
Yeah.
It's still going on nowadays. When you look at the Middle East, they're still treating women as slaves. And some they still saying that, I mean, in the Middle East, I mean, I'm saying this because now it's all coming back to me. I mean, it's such a great empowerment. This young lady, encouraging women, and especially the women of plus size, because some women, when you're at that level, that plus size weight, they don't have the confidence to stand up. They don't think that they're good for anything, But and especially
Yeah.
the modeling industry, it's rare in Samoa. It's still rare in Samoa. It's still brand new in Samoa. Some they don't know who to ask. They don't know how to apply for it. But coming from a young lady with a plus size weight, great encouragement for women. And like I said, in the Middle East, they're still treating women like slaves. Men stay at home, taking care of the treasures of the home, and the women go out. They're the ones who make the food, they do the farming, they do the plantation. And I'm just saying that about the Middle East, but it's still happening in the Western world as well. And nowadays, there's so many opportunities for women. Women are becoming politicians, prime minister. Great opportunities for women. Now we're giving an opportunities for women to model
Yeah.
in Samoa. Great, a lot of opportunities. So I want to thank you. Thank you for that encouragement to the women, and especially to the plus size weight. To the plus size weight. Any yes, any thought of extend ang Hollywood? That would be another great opportunity, huh?
Oh
I know
yes.
the
So
other.
the the events that I'll be joining November, where all the models, the bla- the famous models will be here, and those people with fashion houses like Nike, Gucci. So they'll be here in November, and they'll be picking out models for their companies for their clothes shopping, and that's why I'm trying my best to for the
Yes,
November events so I can get into and maybe to Hollywood. Yes. Sa
Yes.
oile, sa oile tala fa sa mole e aule ina ilau to my tai. Like we can do it, as we can see in today's world that there are women stepping up, becoming prime minister and becoming CEOs, and that is a really great image for us ladies, for us young ones who are growing up. Like just to look up is like if she can do it, then how can we cannot? How can we become like one? So yes, it is always about bringing in positive vibes and thinking positive about yourself, and don't let others degrade you or say, oh, you're this size, you're this size. No, you have to step up and say no to those kind of comments, and you have to work on your own self. So yes, that's the November events, the 3 days event. If I can make it, if one company wants me to model for them, then I will go for it. And there's gonna be Gucci there, Louis Vuitton, and Nike, Puma, Adidas, all those shopping clothes, all those clothes shoppings will be there. All those. So yes, I'm shaking. Oh yeah, the event is in November, and my mom has been telling me, "You need to do this. You need to do this." Like, Mom, don't worry. I know I can do it. and even last night, she was calling me around 1. She was like, "Are you ready for this?" I was like, "How many times do I have to remind you that I was born ready? I don't have to practice. I don't have to wake up early just for this conference call, which I really appreciate." And she's always like that. Even my event last Sunday, she woke up and just tell me, "Did you practice catwalking?" I was like, "Mom, I know what I'm doing." So my November event, I'm trying as much to lose just a little bit weight, and that's it. I will never want to be skinny. That's not me. I like the way I am, and I love my body. So yes, I and just a little bit of weight, probably 5 kg, will do for me for the November event. And there we will see what's another step in life that I have to take with my modeling career. And hopefully I'll be in the model industry by then, because I want to work for a brand. I'll just say I think Nike will do, because I'm not really a fan of Gucci, but they're nice, but I'm not a fan. I'm a huge fan of Nike. So hopefully after the event November, I will become one of their models. I mean, if I believe I can do it, then I will always get into something. Once I set a goal that I want to be there, then I will be there. I think ever since I was young, it's like if I want something, I will always get it. Good things in life. So yes, thank you.
Marie, how old are you again?
I'm 22 years old.
22 years old.
Yes. Mm,
We can do it.
yes.
We can all do it.
Yes.
22 years old. They say that, you know what, women, they mature faster than men. I had
Yeah.
a women's conference last weekend. One of the men said, "Oh, a man invited. I said, you're invited. You just sit there." And he said, "What? Don't we always do that? We just sit and listen."
I know.
But 22 years old,
Yes.
powerful encouragement and powerful mentality, a yes mentality, a positive mentality. And yeah, well, one last question, because I know our time is coming to the end, to an end. Uh, Last, how do you handle with a negativity comments that be see, because in this life, no matter what, no matter how good you are, no matter
Oh
what
yes.
situation you're in, no matter what you do, there's always going to be people who are going to talk. I mean,
Yes.
who are we compared to Jesus Christ?
Yes,
He's our
I know.
God, he's our Father, and then we already the world talk about him. I mean, they did this and did that to him, to our Heavenly Father. And who are we compared to whom? So no matter what you do, people are going to talk. People are going to go to roll their eyes.
Yes.
How do
The
you
more
handle?
they roll
How
their
do you
eyes, the
handle?
more. So yes, in this community, there are people who are hating on you, and they'll talk. And I mean, if we talk, I wouldn't even keep. I, I wouldn't even give an opportunity for that negative to get into my life. Just stay 5 meters away from me because I don't really care about what they say. So yes, it's all about, because if you have confidence, anyone people can say about you, any bad negative comment people can say about you will be trash. That's if you have confidence in yourself and have courage to just ignore it. So yes, anyone who has been hating, anyone who's bringing me the negative vibes, just know that I still love you, and I wouldn't even waste any of my time trying to get back to you and try and throw hands with you. No, I'm doing better in life, and I'm doing my best and what's best for me and my family back home. So yes, those type of people, I don't have any time to spend on them trying to get back. Oh, why did you say this about me? I guess I'm matured enough to just ignore it. Yes. So like the key there, and what you need to do about people saying negative stuff about you, you have to ignore. Like ignore it. Like if they didn't put in, the only people that I can accept their negative comments is my family. Like when they say you need my mom, not negative, but my mom said, "Hey, what you're doing is not like the drink." Then I can take it. People who spend a cent or who spend more, but if you haven't spent a cent on me, then I don't think your opinion would ever matter to me. So yes, in this world, like if we women are being brought down by negative comments, we shouldn't be care about it. You should love yourself enough to don't let those negative comments come to you. And you should do your best in life and do what's best for you and your family. The other people, their opinion doesn't matter. So yes, that's how I carry on in life. Yes, you're right that even how good you are doing in life, or there's always that negative atmosphere trying to pull you down. But as for me, the more negative energy that I can feel from people is the more I will shine, and the more I will stand tall. I wouldn't even care about what they say. So yes, that's how I can deal with those negative ones. I just don't even care about it. But on the other side, if they're hating on you, that means they can't do what you're doing, and it is your job to just like if you know that they hate you and you're close to them, just talk to them and how you can build up their confidence, like how you are now. So yes, but the more people are hating, is the more I get more shiner and prettier each day. Thank you. I know.
Whoa, amazing, amazing, Marie. It sounds like she used these negative comments,
I
she
know.
used to talk, she used these negative status to be building blocks for her success.
Yeah.
Use them. Use them to be the building, to build up your confidence, your
Yeah.
courage. So, oi Lorna, kaimi wa ukiika, kaimi alola aku wakul gaming Hawaii. If you want to give a shout out,
So,
uh,
oh,
and
shout out.
shout out to whoever you want to shout out to.
Okay. So shout out to our viewers and the positive comments they dropped during this live. First title ya tu fo iyo matua ya laki matua tasinawa. Mai se ya usa matua ngane o lo no fo tapua I mais. O lafo o lo yo o lo au ma o Tursu Suru Sandy o lo au mau Australia. Lafo nawa o lo o I au mau I Amerika. O tu vai tasi au mua. Ia lo I Samoa. And to my son Mario, I miss you. And to my sisters, Mavis, Fortino, Martina, who are in Samoa. And not forgetting my favorite one, Fluffy. So yeah, shout out to my family and to my to all my families and my friends who've been sharing this one. Oh my gosh, I love you guys and how they were supporting and they were like, "Oh, go for it! Thank you all so much. If you're doing this, then I appreciate your time that that you take to share this one, and thank you so much. And even my co-workers at Send Energy Pamua, oh my god, they always come in the morning and hype me, and to my friend Sandy here in Auckland and Lay. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I'm not forgetting my one and only partner. I told him, I was like, don't call me, I will be on conference call, I'll call you after. And he's still supporting. Even when he's in the islands, he's still supporting me from afar. So yes, thank you so much. I miss you and hope to see you soon.
Oh.
Okay, I think that's it.
I think that our whakatanoanga mo molele aso ia whakatasi mai fo i le vai aso fo mo le si putato whakatanoanga vai aso fo. Last question before you leave. With all the plus size models, I say Seiuli, how can they reach you? I mean, if they want to become models, how can they reach you so you can help them?
If you have less confidence in yourself, but you want to be a model as a plus size, you can reach up to my Facebook, like it's right there. Marietherese Nalani Nauer. Yes, you can reach me through there. And I'm an outgoing person. I'm so kind and I laugh most all of the time. So yes, you can reach me there. I don't bite. I'm not scared. I'm not scary. And I will always help. I will always love to help and give up my free time to reply to all your messages. But just know that I'm a really nice one.
Reach out, Marietherese Nalani Nauer. Or if I might, what the secretary there's a comment or two by Tassi Nawa Almua, but my she's the secretary.
No, she's the boss.
Okay, so reach out. If you don't have any
Yeah.
confidence, you want to become a model and you don't know who to ask, you don't know where to go, you don't know who to reach out. And if you have any question, she'll be here to help. I mean, you can tell she has a great mentality, great encouragement, positive mentality. She's the kind of person that can help you and push you and pull you up from where you are. So
Yes.
reach out to us if you also have any question. Ole yung natin to pagtatanunga, ay se si o pamtalanga ay matapagtatanunga ni yaso.
Yeah, tonu na lavan na tala nuanga le. So I manuia tele ya pofuanga lo temo le yaso I man alo ta o sa unia to bali le aso sa patia yao manuia tele pofuanga tele ne yaso faftailava.
Yale ali ya pataya ko patasima das po mutato pagtatanunga vai asa po ay manuia tele le weekend manuia la sa ali. Aso foi na loa.